Are you a Hyundai or Kia car owner with a Theta 2 MPI, new GDI or Gamma GDI engine? If so, then you may be affected by an alleged engine failure class action lawsuit that has recently been settled. This settlement affects over 2.1 million Hyundai and Kia vehicles produced between 2011 and 2021. The lawsuit alleges that a manufacturing defect with the engine's rotating assembly may have contributed to engine failure. This settlement is good news for affected Hyundai and Kia drivers, as this agreement will provide various cash compensation options, extended warranties, free inspection and repair of the covered engines for certain qualifying repairs. Additionally, the settlement will provide the installation of a software update Hyundai and Kia introduced to enhance safety and detection of potential engine failure. Owners allege Hyundai-Kia direct injection engines have known defect. Owners of certain Hyundai and Kia vehicles have alleged that a defect in the Theta 2 2.4L, new 2.0L GDI, and Gamma 1.6L GDI engines can cause engine seizure, stalling, engine failure, and possibly engine fire. Despite numerous complaints to both automakers, the lawsuit claims owners and lessees had been denied repairs under the vehicle's warranty. However, Hyundai has not been found liable for any claims alleged in the lawsuit. Instead, both parties have reached a voluntary settlement in order to avoid lengthy litigation. Certainly good news for affected Hyundai and Kia owners. Hyundai and Kia models affected. Hyundai and Kia vehicles equipped with either the 2.4-liter Theta 2 MPI hybrid, 2.4-liter Theta 2 MPI, 2.0-liter new GDI, 2.0-liter new GDI hybrid and plug-in hybrid and 1.6-liter Gamma GDI engine found in the following models below are affected by this settlement: 2011 to 2019 Sonata Hybrid, 2016 to 2019 Sonata Plug-in Hybrid, 2010 to 2012 Santa Fe, 2010 to 2021 Tucson, 2014 Elantra Coupe, 2014 to 2016 Elantra, 2014 to 2020 Elantra GT, 2012 to 2017 Veloster, 2011 to 2020 Optima Hybrid, 2017 to 2020 Optima Plug-in Hybrid, 2011 to 2013 Sorento, 2011 to 2013 Sportage, 2010 to 2018 Forte, 2010 to 2016 Forte Coupe, 2012 to 2019 Soul. For all the details on the Hyundai and Kia engine fire class action settlement, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more breaking automotive news.